And let's take that conversation straight to our guests as well. We continue to have Kush Bora, but we are joined in by Dharmesh Kant, Head of Equity Research at Chola Securities, and Sonam Srivastava, Founder and Fund Manager at Right Research, both of who are joining us. Thank you, both of you, for joining us this afternoon. Let me come to you first, Sonam. Plenty of movers in today's trade. Majorly, infra and defense are the two big spaces where we are seeing a lot of movement. Do you believe that this is on the back of good, strong flows expected with regard to orders in both of these pockets? Is that what's driving the frenzy, or do you believe that the correction that we've seen has been very, very sharp and now is being essentially there's a realization which has come through that the correction was overdone?
Right. I think it's a mix of things, and I think even still the uncertainty still remains in the global markets, right? So obviously on the defense side, we're seeing global defense stocks rally, and even in Indian defense, I think there's some capex. You're hearing a little bit of chatter around that. So that could be one thing that is leading this. Secondly, we're just coming back from a very sharp drawdown, and I think there's a lot of euphoria around these stocks. So I hope the strength sort of continues. But yeah, I think there's still a lot of uncertainty from the global market with the FOMC meeting coming in today, right?
Well, let's also welcome in Dharmesh Kant, the Head of Equity Research, Chola Securities. Dharmesh, coming to you first on PB Fintech. For the last couple of sessions, we are seeing strong buying action here. Do you see that all the negatives are now priced in when it comes to PB Fintech?
Yeah, so I mean, negatives may be priced in, but what are the positive to see the drift in the upside trajectory? So that is where the question lies. I mean, bounces from the bottoms were expected, and it has happened also. But these are bounces. These are not the drifting trend based on the business fundamentals. So that is still in question right now. And the advice would be, if you are a trader, you can take your profits on a day like this. But if you are an investor, this is still cautionary time. I mean, you have to still see it from the sidelines, and you have to be very, very stock specific when it comes to investing.
I'm locked in upper